Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Madam Faizah binti Hamiduddin. Today we are going to present about our assignment project, which is heat transfer analysis, fins surface analysis. This is my group member. First, Muhammad Daniel bin Muhammad Zaki. Second, me, Muhammad Haziq bin Jamuluddin. Third, Muhammad Syahid Amil bin Syahidan. And lastly, Muhammad Luqman bin Zulkifli. Next. For our slide presentation, we are going through first introductions, second selection design, third analysis, fourth discussion, and the last one is conclusions. I will pass to next presenter for our introductions.
Yeah, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syahid Amir bin Syahidan, and I will present about introduction first. Okay, heatsink is very important for cooling process of an electrical apparatus. For our assignment, we decided to make some design of cooling system, which is heatsink. Right, what is heatsink? Heatsink is a component that increases the heat flow away from a hot device. Okay, it accomplishes this task by increasing the device working surface area and the amount of low temperature fluid that move across its enlarged surface area. This design is suitable in a gaming laptop that require an efficient cooling system for a better performance. Okay, we can see in the picture, there's example of gaming laptop and the component in this laptop. Okay, for next slide, selection design. Okay, here we have two design, which is design 1 and design 2. Okay, design 1 have base with 40 times 40 millimeter and with height of 21 millimeter. Number of fins is 10. Okay, for second design 2, we have base. The base is 40 times 40, same as design 1. Height is 26 millimeter, and design 2 have 27 number of fins. I will give to next presenter.
Thank you, Syahid, for your explanation about the selection design. As you can see, this at the left side is design 1 and at the right side is design 2. Okay, next. Okay, the analysis run firstly. We create two design of fin using SolidWorks. Also in SolidWorks, we create new thermal study, and then we put all the data followed in assignment sheet given, which is we put heat power 65 watts, heat flux 1500 watt per meter cube. The temperatures at the cold side is 76.6 Celsius, which is at the top of fins. And then we put the hot temperature set 97.3 Celsius. We put at the base of the fin, and the ambient temperature is 28 Celsius or 301.15 Kelvin. Next. And then we use material for the first and second design is copper. The mass of design 1 is 0.085 kilogram, and the second the mass in second design is 0.255 kilogram. This density of first design is 8,900 kilogram per meter cube, and the second is 8,900, also the same, and the weight of first design is 0.84 Newton. The second design is 2.5 Newton. That's all for me. I'll pass to the next presenter.
I, Muhammad Lokman, will present about discussion. Heat sinks are designed using material that have high thermal conductivity such as aluminium alloy and copper. We choose copper as our product design that offer excellent thermal conductivity, which is 385.0 watt per meter Kelvin, antimicrobial resistant, biofouling resistant, corrosion resistant, and heat exhaustion. If we can see that at the picture, design 2 temperature range is more efficient compared to design 1. Design 2 start to cool at 81.7 Celsius, while design 1 start to cool at 82.8 Celsius. Heat move into the heat sink and away from the source by natural conduction. The heat sink material thermal conductivity directly impact the process. That's why high thermal conductivity materials such as copper and aluminium are most common in the construction of heat sink. The working fluid pass across the surface of the warm heat sink and utilize thermal diffusion and convection to remove heat away from the surface and into the ambient environment. Based on our design, both are using copper as material, but the design 2 is more efficient because it have more finite and the length of the finite longer that can easily flow the heat from the laptop compared to design 1. So by added more finite and increase the length of temperature, we reduce the temperature range. That's all from me. I will give to Daniel to next slide.
Okay, thank you, Lokman. My name is Muhammad Daniel Zaki. Today I will present about the conclusion. Okay, we choose design 2 as our final heatsink. We study that by increasing the length and the number of feet, it will reduce the temperature range. Design 2 suits well to be placed in the gaming laptop because it fits the ideal temperature range that is in the range of 80 to 85 degrees Celsius. The second design is suitable for gaming laptop, as we know the gaming laptop produce more heat because it have high performance processors and dedicated graphics card that generate a lot of heat when under load. And last, the heatsink material's thermal conductivity directly impacts this process. That's why we choose high thermal conductivity materials such as copper that is most common in the construction of heatsinks. Okay, I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay, thank you, Daniel, for your explanations. Okay, this is our role in this assignment project. Muhammad Daniel bin Muhammad Zaki is the project analysis. Same with me, Muhammad Hasib bin Jamaluddin. Muhammad Luman bin Zulkifli, he is preparing the documentation in this project. And the last one is Muhammad Syahid Amil bin Syahidan, the draftman of Design 1 and Design 2. Okay, thank you. That's all from us. Thank you also for lending your ears.